We're going to start with a look at the tropics. Tropical Storm Ernesto is trying to gain a little bit of strength with winds now of 65 miles an hour as it is trying to concentrate all the thunderstorm development around that center. You still see almost two areas of convection, but it is trying to consolidate all of that over one. Winds up to 65 miles an hour, and the projection is that it will continue strengthening kind of unabated as it moves away from land, thankfully staying to the east of the Turks and Caicos, well to the east of the Bahamas, and well to the east of the East Coast. And the new forecast track, while the track itself has not really changed, intensity has. Hurricane Center is thinking that this could become our next major hurricane, then maybe on a weakening trend as it moves north of Bermuda into colder water. Again, likely we would see the higher surf along the East Coast, but with the storm well away from the coast itself, no major impacts are anticipated in the United States. And after we are done with Ernesto, notice the models are not really indicating any additional development. What we use here is kind of a comparison of both the GFS and the Euro to see if the models are finding any little low pressure centers. And through next Tuesday, beyond Ernesto, models remain fairly quiet. So that is a good trend to have. Even as we watch a couple of little waves out in the central Atlantic, another one maybe trying to emerge off of Africa, models at the moment not picking up on those doing anything. Now, with that being said, again, every day is a good day in the tropics, that we are not threatened, but we stand here. We are just on the kind of increasing peak of activity across the basin, peaking on September 10th. Really from about mid-August to mid-October is the heart of hurricane season. So I went back and told our computer to find all hurricanes going back from 1850 on within 100 miles of New Orleans from June to October. Typically November, we're not going to see anything. And it counted 61 hurricanes. Then I told the computer, all right, look at all hurricanes that same range, 100 miles of New Orleans, from August 15th to October. 53. The vast majority of storms that are going to impact southeast Louisiana occur after August 15th through September and into the start of October. So while every day has been good in the tropics for us, we're not even yet to the peak of the season. Heat advisory, that is our main concern over the next several days. Heat not going anywhere anytime soon. We're still in the upper 80s at lakefront. Heat index at lakefront is 100 degrees. Mostly clear skies, 86 at the moment. Still feels like 98 out at Kenner. And winds out of the south-southwest at 6 miles an hour. The dew points have been tough to forecast. At one point it looks like they're going to be coming down, then they kind of come back up. We'll see what they do during the overnight period, but it does look like we are going to see some drier air moving in late next week. Right now we've got this big upper high dominating. At times maybe a few little storms kind of rotating around, but generally speaking with this upper ridging, no organized rain chances coming. Hoping that maybe this upper trough would bring in an organized rain chance, but as of right now the Euro and the GFS are not indicating any such little complexes moving our way. What that upper trough is going to do, however, is bring down some drier air. But in the summertime, not necessarily a good thing. Yeah, it may make our mornings and late nights feel a bit more bearable. During the day, dry air warms more efficiently. And while I have us at the moment only in the upper 90s, and I say only because with that dry air in place and an upper high not too far away, it is possible Monday, Tuesday, we could see actual temperatures in the triple digits. We will see, but the heat is not going anywhere. But again, dealing with the heat, we're not dealing with the tropics. I'd rather deal with the heat. And we'll stay in the upper 90s with maybe about a 20 to 30% chance for a few spotty to isolated showers in the coming days. That's going to be about it. If you can get underneath one of those showers, that is literally going to be the only way you can cool down as we continue through a very hot August.
All right, Chris, thank you. We here at WWL Louisiana love our community, so we're giving away thousands of dollars to local nonprofits through the Tegna Foundation. These grants support causes like education, hunger, and more.
If you'd like to apply, or you know a group who should apply, scan the QR code on your screen or go to WWLTV.com and search Tegna Grant. The deadline to apply is August 16th.